It's so interesting that he's in the middle here.
I know.
All these tunnels.
It probably feels safer. Yeah. Oh, baby, come on. Oh, he likes it. Oh, baby, come here. So pretty. Good boy.
Hey, yo. There we go.
Here, follow me. Good.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Okay.
This way. Come on. Come on.
Okay, just walk with him. Walk with him. Wherever he wants to go, walk with him. No, let's sit down again. Come on, let's pull.
I wish I could just pick him up.
I know. He's a little too nervous for this right now. Yeah, I'm gonna jump over with it.
Come on, little sweet boy.
I'll give it a second. Another leg. Oh, he just passed gas in my face. Here, give me a hand. You'll help pull right out. Okay. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's it. Okay, Florida, come over. Boy. Nope. No microchip. Okay.
Good boy.
Hey, Odin. Go. Good boy. Oh, wow. Come on. Hi, good boy. What's going on?
Yeah. My kitten. My
Hi,
kitten.
Junie.